Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go through 3 examples of how to differentiate a function using the chain rule, where we have some function raised to a negative power. Starting with part A, we've got y is equal to x squared minus 3x raised to the power of negative 1. Now whenever you need to use the chain rule to differentiate a function, it's a good idea to start by writing the chain rule formula. And this is dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. Then what you need to do is let u equal whatever's inside the brackets. And so for part A, we're going to let u equal x squared minus 3x. Deriving this, we're going to get du dx, and this is equal to 2x minus 3. And then we need to express y in terms of u. And so y is going to equal u raised to the power of minus 1, since u is equal to x squared minus 3x. And so deriving this, we're going to get dy du, and this is going to be minus u raised to the power of minus 2. From here, what you need to do is sub in dy du and du dx into the chain rule formula, and then work out dy dx. And so doing this, we're going to get dy dx is equal to dy du, which is minus u raised to the power of minus 2, times du dx, which is 2x minus 3. Simplifying this, this is minus u raised to the power of minus 2 times 2x minus 3. And finally, we need to replace u back as a function of x. And so this is going to be minus x squared minus 3x raised to the power of minus 2 times 2x minus 3. Now, just as a quick tip or a side note, whenever you're working with more than one term, you should always write them inside brackets. Otherwise, you'll end up with the wrong expression. For example, if we didn't write 2x minus 3 inside brackets and wrote the answer as minus x squared minus 3x raised to the power of minus 2 times 2x minus 3, then this answer would be wrong, as this does not equal to the expression we just worked out for dy dx. So make sure that you include the brackets when you have more than one term. Part B. Y is equal to 2x cubed plus x raised to the power of minus 2. And so we start by letting u equal whatever's inside the brackets. And so we let u equal 2x cubed plus x. Deriving this, we're going to get du dx, and this is going to be 6x squared plus 1. And now we write y in terms of u. And so y is going to be u raised to the power of minus 2. And so deriving this, we're going to get dy du is equal to minus 2 times u raised to the power of minus 3. From here, we sub in dy du and du dx into the chain rule formula. And so we're going to get dy dx is equal to dy du, which is minus 2 u raised to the power of minus 3 times du dx, which is 6x squared plus 1. We're writing this. This will be minus 2 u raised to the power of minus 3, and then 6x squared plus 1. And finally, we need to replace u back as a function of x. And so this is going to be minus 2 times 2x cubed plus x raised to the power of minus 3 times 6x squared plus 1. Part C. Y is equal to 5x plus 3 raised to the power of minus 6. And so again, we let u equal what's inside the brackets. And so if we let u equal 5x plus 3, then deriving this, du dx is going to be 5. We then write y in terms of u. And so y is going to equal u raised to the power of minus 6, where u is equal to 5x plus 3. And so deriving this, we're going to get dy du, which is going to be minus 6 times u raised to the power of minus 5. From here, we need to sub in dy du and du dx into the chain rule formula and work out dy dx. And so dy dx is going to be dy du, which is minus 6 times u raised to the power of minus 5, and then times du dx, which is 5. And so this is going to be minus 30 times u raised to the power of minus 5. And now we replace u back as a function of x. And so this is going to be minus 30 times 5x plus 3 raised to the power of minus 5. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, then click on the like button or comment below and let me know. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.